What's new with the Kia Niro in 2023? Almost everything improves on the next generation Kia Niro, which debuted in the United States for the 2017 model year. It's better built and equipped to handle US crash tests, it's larger inside and out, it's finished less like a cheap vehicle. All three variants are available nationwide. The EV has a 253-mile range, and automatic emergency braking, among other driver assist systems, is now standard. The most visible difference is its daring new look. The tiny hatchback takes on more crossover dimensions, with a boomerang body panel in black or two-tone body paint that covers the D-pillar falling from the top to the rear wheels. The interior follows crossover trends, with an arcing dash stretched horizontally and surrounded by too much gloss black plastic surrounding an available 10.3-inch touchscreen. The mood is still efficient on the 2023 Niro and its three electrified powertrains, all of which boast efficiency benefits in front-wheel drive configurations. The Niro HEV Hybrid combines a 1.6-liter inline-4 engine with a 32-kilowatt electric motor to generate 139 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. It won't go quickly, but it will go far, with an EPA combined rating of 53 miles per gallon, which is at least 3 miles per gallon better than the previous model. The Niro PHEV outperforms the hybrid by using the same engine and a 62-kilowatt motor powered by an 11.1 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion polymer battery. When the 2023 Niro is equipped with 16-inch wheels, output improves to 180 horsepower and 195 pound-foot, and the electric range increases from 26 miles in the previous model to 33 miles. A 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is used in both the hybrid and plug-in hybrid. The 2023 Niro EV also improves, increasing its EPA range from 239 miles to an anticipated 253 miles, but we evaluate that model separately. With the greater proportions of the 2023 Niro, the efficiency advantages appear more striking. It's 2.5 inches longer and an inch wider than its predecessor, measuring 174 inches long. There's greater cargo space and rear passenger space, making it an ideal road trip vehicle for college students, a weekend errand runner for empty nesters, and an efficient getaway vehicle for city dwellers. Kia includes automated emergency braking with pedestrian recognition, active lane control, blind spot monitors, and other useful driver assist features in the 2023 Niro. How much does the Kia Niro 2023 cost? The base LX of the 2023 Kia Niro Hybrid costs less than $28,000, including a $1,295 destination fee, and the X and SX grades barely top $35,000. The Niro plug-in hybrid is priced around $35,000 for the X and SX models. Heated and cooled front seats, power folding side mirrors, wireless phone charging, a head-up display, ambient lighting, Harman Kardon sound, and a digital key for remote access to the car via a smartphone are all available as options.